Hello, honey pie. Come away in and see who's at home today.
Granny Murray's house has two at home to play. Granny Murray's house is home too.
Who's here today? Well, we've got Ruby and we've got Peter. But don't just sit there, treasures. Come on, let's have some fun. What's Granny Murray got on her shelves today? Oh, look at that beautiful dolphin, Peter. Well done. What's this? A fish. And this?
A crab.
Ding, 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 ding. Well, we've got Peter and we've got Ruby. But someone's missing from home today. Oh, not anymore. Who's coming home to Granny Murray? Oh, yes, it's Lisa with Tina. Hello there.
Hi, Granny Murray.
And Lisa, come away through, honey pie. So, it's a big taxi ride today, is it?
Oh, yes. Well, in a few hours, I'll be driving my bright pink taxi down the golden yellow sand to the deep blue sea with all the other taxi drivers in Riverseafingal.
Oh, I'm green with envy. Come on, my darlings, why don't you all dress Claude up as a sea captain with binoculars? That's the way. Oh, and Tina, me hearty, why don't we sail on over to the chairs, eh? Where I can keep my eye on the horizon. Oh, the seaside run with all the taxis sounds such fun.
Oh, it is. But we taxi drivers do it to give loads of children a treat.
Oh, here, that reminds me. Now, you won't find shapes like these in rock pools, but we cut them out for you.
Oh, they're fab. Oh, they'll really brighten up my cab.
They'll make sure everything is shipshape. Well, you look at Claude.
Oh. Oh, he looks very smart. A proper sea captain.
It's not only Claude, Captain.
Oh, wow. Was that a captain's hat for me too, these? Wait, don't I look smart? Just to keep it safe, I'll put it in my bag. Bye, darling. Have a good day.
Come on, then. Now, remember, make sure everything is shipshape.
Thank you, Granny Murray. I'll see you later.
We'll be thinking of you, darling.
Me too.
Now, will you keep a wee eye on Tina? Make sure she gets the right way to work.
I'd better hurry. What would be the quickest way for me to get to work? Thank you. I'm in a hurry. I need to speed to work. I'll take a ticket on the subway. I'll be there quite quick. Hurry through the tunnels. Oh, clatter underground. Whining drives the speed up. Squeaking slows us down. Clatter under streets, no squeaking to our stop. I'm in a hurry. I need to speed to work. Thanks for that. Now what's next? Oh yes, I have to get ready for work. Am I glad Granny Murray gave me these seaside shapes to decorate my taxi? A star picture of a starfish. Oh, there's something fishy about the shape. Oh, don't grab me so tightly, Mr. Crab.
Is everything all right, Tina?
Yes, sorry, Rudy. It's just a paper crab.
I don't fancy being nipped by a paper crab.
Granny Murray gave me some seaside shapes to decorate the taxi for the seaside trip.
What a great idea. And I've brought some fresh fruit for the children on the journey.
Oh, thanks, Rudy. That's very kind.
I used to love going to the seaside when I was a little nipper. Oh, the whole family would go on day trips by the train. And the songs we'd sing, oh, I do like to be beside the seaside. Oh, I do like to be beside the sea.
Oh, I do like to stroll along the prom, where the brass bands play tiddly-om-pom-pom.
Oh, I'll be thinking of you, Tina, driving your taxi to the seaside later.
Oh, it'll be fun for all the children.
I'll see you later, teen. Bye.
Bye. I'd better get a move on. I wonder what Lisa's doing right now.
I love to skip in Riverseafingal, Riverseafingal by the sea. I love to skip in Riverseafingal, Riverseafingal, that's for me.
Oh, I think I need some more glue here. Oh, well done. That's brilliant. Oh, we're making special cards, girls, so that when we go to the city, we can play I Spy and we can see if we can spot all the things on our cards. Will that be good fun?
What are you doing now, Mummy?
I love to skip in Riverseafingal, Riverseafingal by the sea. I love to skip in Riverseafingal, Riverseafingal, that's for me.
Aye, sailors. Everything is shipshape. Ha ha ha! Oh!
Sorry, Tina, didn't mean to creep up on you.
Oh, I was just getting ready for work.
So I see. All the children must be very excited about their afternoon out.
2 o'clock on a dot. That's the pick-up time, and it's just gone 10 o'clock.
Well, here you go. Sun cream, very important, so no one gets sunburn.
Well, they did say it's going to be sunny later on.
And
but...
sun hats.
Oh, aren't they lovely?
See you, Tina.
Bye. Oh, and thanks again, Doctor, do you know. Right, down to work. City roads are waiting. Oh, the traffic lights are changing. Police cars are cruising. The trucks keep a-trapping and the city roads are waiting for me to take a drive in my pretty pink taxi. People wave me down in my pretty pink taxi. Get into the back and just relax for the ride. Pretty pink taxi, she's going for a drive. Look in the mirror, shift that gear. Pull out to the busy lane, my pretty pink taxi takes the strain. Oh, the radio calls up a taxi fare. Who am I going to meet? Looking for a job in my pretty pink taxi, oh. Woo! Cruising the city in my pretty pink taxi, yeah. Drive, drive, drive in my pretty pink taxi. Ride, 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 hey, where you wanna go? Taxi! 'Cause I need to take a drive in my pretty pink taxi. People wave me down and relax for the ride.
Hi, Tina. I was racing you back to the garage. I almost beat you too.
You look like you mean business, Mickey John.
I do. I'm here to give you buckets.
Oh, that's kind.
The buckets have got holes in them, though.
Surely a bucket with a hole in it is no use.
Not if the holes are on top of the buckets. How else do you get the sand in?
Joker.
And spades. You've got to have spades when you've got buckets, especially when you're sandcastle building.
Oh, thanks, Mickey John. Now, I don't mean to be rude, but I don't have much time for my break.
I understand. I'm on a school lunch break myself.
I hardly have time to eat a sandwich or to relax before the big taxi drive to the beach this afternoon.
I'll leave you to it. You've obviously got work to do.
Thanks again, Mickey John. Bye.
By the way, I like your captain's hat. Ha!
I wonder what you're up to, Lisa.
Right, my darlings, who wants a wee game of I Spy? Me too. Right, what do we see out the window? I spy with my little eye something red that you might put letters in.
Post box.
Good girl. Let's have a wee look at that picture. Oh, lovely. I spy with my little eye somewhere that's got petrol in it that you drive into. What could that be?
A garage.
A garage or a petrol station. Oh, look at that, girls. Wow, well done. I spy with my little eye. Oh, something that route you drive that you might go on if you were going on a journey.
A taxi.
A taxi. Good girl. Let's all wave to the taxi. Hello, taxi. Well done, girls. Listen, I hope your mum remembers to fill up her taxi with petrol before she goes to the seaside.
Where are you, Mummy?
Hello, love. What are you doing here? Not that it's not a pleasant surprise to see my husband at any time.
I just asked him between shifts to wish you bon voyage.
Oh.
Where have these to go?
Oh, Granny Murray gave them to me to put all over the back of the taxi to make it very seaside-y. And I've done it earlier, but people kept dropping by to give me more stuff.
Oh, well, don't worry, teen. We'll soon have your taxi looking like it could take King Neptune himself on a ride.
Oh, would you help, Raymond? That would be great.
Can't have my girl looking down in the dumps.
Oh, thank you, Raymond.
No problem. And of course you filled it up with fuel and all those sorts of things.
No, I haven't. I've been so busy with other things. Oh, dear. But what else have I forgotten? Where did the time go? At 7 o'clock, I dropped Lisa off at Granny Murray's. Granny Murray and I talked about my special trip to the seaside with all the other taxis. At 8 o'clock, I opened up the garage and got ready for work. Rudy called by with some fruit for the children I was taking on a ride to the seaside. At 10 o'clock, Dr. Juno dropped off some sun cream and sun hats. At 12, Mickey John called by. He'd brought some buckets and spades for the children. And then at 1 o'clock, Raymond came by. And together we decorated the taxi cab so that it looked all ready for a seaside trip. Then Raymond reminded me about putting petrol in the taxi, which I hadn't done.
Now remember, make sure everything is ship-shape.
Make everything ship-shape, eh? So I've got to make the taxi ready to drive. Fuel, tyres, the lot. Thank you, Raymond. It's a race against time. I've got to do it, I've got to do it. I've got to beat the clock before the chime. I've got to sort it, I've got to sort it. I've got to do the job on time. Like a busy bee, I'm going to beat that bong. I'm going to finish this job before I finish this song.
Do we think she's going to do it? Do the job that needs to be done? Will she know how to fix it? Will she finish what she has begun? Yes, as sure as we are friends, she will get there in the end because she knows what she should do.
I'm going to do it.
She's going to do it.
I'm going to beat the clock before the chime. I'm going to sort it.
She's going to sort it.
I'm going to do the job on time. Like a busy bee, I'm going to beat that bong. I'm going to finish this job before I finish this song.
You're flattening it out, that's a girl. I'll help you, just. Woo!
Oh,
Woo!
look at
Now
that.
give it a wee tap.
I've
That's it.
already done that.
And gently does it. Oh, well done, Kirsten. Tap. Your mum will be here to collect you soon, Lisa.
I miss you, Mummy.
Come away in. Look who's here, Lisa.
Oh, hi, Lise.
Hello, Mummy.
Oh, did you have a good day with Granny Murray?
You betcha.
Will you say thanks to Granny Murray?
Come
Thank
here,
you,
Mother.
Granny Murray.
And thanks from me too, Granny Murray. I remembered what you said. Make sure everything's shipshape. It saved the day.
Oh, is that so? Come on, let's get you home. Bye, my darlings. I'm looking forward to next time.
Oh, me too. Come on, Lisa. Let's talk about our time away.
And I suppose you want me to tell you all about my time too?
Well, there was waving, greeting, hello, meeting, bye-bye, closing, waking, dozing, eating, sleeping, fetching, sketching, painting, stretching, gluing, chewing, sticking up and wiping round, washing up and slushing down. Then there was playing, running, creeping, jumping, chasing, painting, laughing, baking, bathing, dressing, singing, swinging, walking, sliding, hunting, hiding, jumping up and turning round, dressing up and sitting down.
What was really special about today? Well, Claude was dressed as a sea captain because we were going to play I Spy and Tina was going on a special taxi outing to the sea. We made I Spy cards. Then we played I Spy and we spotted lots of things. There was a post box and taxis, hundreds of them, all going the same way towards the beach. Tina was in one of them, helping out the Seaside run the taxi drivers do every year. She said she had as much fun on the beach as the other taxi drivers. Mind you, me and Lisa had our own fun here, playing with sand. Are you feeling shipshape? Me too. Bye-bye, honey pie.
I love to skip in Riverseafingal, Riverseafingal by. I love to skip in Riverseafingal, that's for me.
Come on and get on down to the city, where the ferry boat sails the blue. Time to call on Granny Murray. She'd love to say goodbye to